Quezon. Tara na sa nyugyugan. Tara na sa Quezon. Tara na sa nyugyugan.
Let's begin with Ginoo number 1.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Lucena.
Good morning po.
I am originally from Lucena City. So if there's one thing or one place in Lucena that you are proudest of, what is it?
Thank you. Good morning. If there's one thing that I am proud of being in Lucena, that's our special delicacy, the tinapa of the Lucenahins. Tulad na lamang ng isang masarap na tinapa, sa hinaba-haba ng proseso sa paggawa upang maging masarap at kilalanin sa Lucena. Mahalin tulad ko to sa aking buhay. For everyone's information, I moved out from my parents' house last year. Hindi ko ginusto, pero kinailangan. Kinailangan ko upang mapagtagumpayan ko ang pangarap ko sa aking sarili at sa aking pamilya. At tulad na lamang ng isang tinapa, sa hinaba-haba ng proseso, alam ko magiging magandang resulta. Maraming salamat po.
Hugh, congratulations.
Next is Ginoo number 2.
Tara na sa nyugyugan. Tara na sa Quezon.
Second question.
Okay. 2 questions pala. Okay. So, here's my question. Give us one restaurant in Lucena that you think represents the entire city's rich culinary offering. I repeat, give us one restaurant in Lucena that you think represent the entire city rich culinary offerings.
Thank you. As I said earlier, ang Lucena ay kilala sa tinapa. At may pwede ko isingit dito o isama ang chami ng Lucena. Ang isang magandang example dito ay ang Antigua na kung saan kilala sa Lucena sa bilang masasarap na pagkain na inahain. Hindi lamang chami, kundi maraming masasarap na pagkain. At tulad na lamang ng pagkakakilala sa tinapa ng Lucena, ang may sasama ko dito ay ang chami ng Lucena. Dahil naniniwala ako, Lucena is not just only a place, but a home where dreams ignite, hearts unite, and beauty shines forever. Thank you.
Ginoo number 2.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Hello, Sam.
Hello po.
This is your question. You recently graduated as a Dean's Lister while also working as an ESL tutor or English second language, being a working student. How did it change your life?
To be honest, this helps me to change my life. To tell you a story, way back 2018, my mother couldn't afford to send me to school. But she supported me and provided all her might. So I was the one who sent myself to school. I work at night and study in the morning. I have experienced sleepless nights and anxiety. But despite all of my struggles in life, I was able to graduate last June 14, 2024. And I know that this helped me to achieve my dreams. And I know too that I can move and uplift the lives with the Quezonians here with me tonight. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, Sam. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Here's my question. Give us one tourism destination in Quezon Province that you think is a potential destination for those who seek healing.
To give you a background, Of course, I will bring you to my hometown, Onisan, Quezon. And to give you a background, Onisan is one of the oldest towns, not only here in Quezon province, but to the entire Philippines. And besides of our beautiful beaches, delicious delicacies, and one thing that I can offer you is our ancestral houses, because it plays a crucial role in preserving our cultural heritage. And I believe that when you go in Onisan, Quezon, you will feel the solace and warmth of every Quezonians. And as your Ginoo, I wanted to tell everyone that in Onisan, Quezon, it is not just a place, but it's a home for everyone. Maraming salamat po.
Ginoo number 3.
Hello, good morning po.
Hello, Ginoo number 3.
Hello, sir.
My question is, give us one memorable experience during your national pageant journey and the lesson you gained.
Okay. My last journey sa national pageant ko po is pumalpak ako sa aking advocacy speech. And now, dito sa Ginoong Yugnyugan, yun talaga yung tinutukan ko. Bukod sa katawan ko na from 85 kilos, now I am 65 kilos, talagang yung advocacy speech at public speaking po talaga yung aking pinag-practicean. So I think for this competition now, I am ready for it. Thank you po.
Magandang umaga sa'yo, Zig.
Magandang umaga din, sir.
Lukban is known to be the art capital of the province. Give us one local artist that you admire the most.
For me, my Handler Mama Lee, because she was great at building beautiful houses during our festival, which is called Payas Festival. And I think because of our creative artists, and I believe that it is why we call the art of the capital of Quezon. It is because of our Payas Festival. And that is one thing that ay pagmalaki ko, yung pagiging creative ng mga Lukbanin. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Ginoo 4.
So we heard that you're currently working as an engineer at the DPWH. What infrastructure project would you propose to further promote tourism in the whole of Bundok Peninsula?
Good day, everyone. Well, as an aspiring engineer, I believe I have a strong connection with my advocacy, which is the Farm to Market Road, that focuses on infrastructure development that directly impact the life of every Quezonian, particularly here in Quezon Province and those in the rural areas, our farmers. And with that being said, I believe my advocacy and vision will transform into reality. Thank you.
Okay. Here's my next question. What's the greatest lesson you learned from crypto and forex trading that you want to share to us?
Well, the world of finance is constantly evolving, and with it, new opportunities arise for every individual, not just on managing their wealth, but potentially grow their finances. And as a Ginoo, I believe that the greatest wealth isn't measured in money, but the impact we can make on the life of others. Thank you.
Ginoo 5.
Kevin, hello.
Hello po, sir.
As per your profile, you are interested in youth development programs. Please suggest one youth development program that the youth of today needs.
Naniniwala po ako na mahalaga na ma-develop ng bawat kabataan ang kanilang leadership skills. At kung meron man po akong papagawa na programa, ay ito ay nakapokus sa goal setting at time management na kung saan ay matuturuan natin ng mga kabataan ng disiplina. Ipapakita ko na ang kahalagahan ng disiplina Saka, papakita ko ito sa sarili kong experience at mga example. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Here's your second question, Kevin. As a consistent honors student, do you believe that being an honors student is a great advantage for you to get a job easily?
Tungkulin po ng bawat estudyante ang napagbutihin ng kanilang pag-aaral dahil ito po ang may susukli natin sa paghihirap ng ating mga magulang. At bilang estudyante po na nag-aaral ng mabuti, napapakita ko po dito ang aking kasipagan at disiplina sa sarili. Hindi man po tayong nangunguna sa klase, ang mahalaga ay hindi po tayo nahuli sa pagkatuto dahil naniniwala po ako na ang edukasyon ng susi at magbibigay sa atin ng tagumpay sa buhay. Maraming salamat po.